Greetings, fellow learners, and welcome back to our financial education channel. Today, we're diving into a fundamental skill for successful investing, market analysis. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting your investment journey, understanding how to analyze markets, trends, and key indicators is crucial for making informed decisions. In this comprehensive video, we'll guide you through the world of market analysis, from the basics to advanced techniques, helping you gain the tools to navigate the complex landscape of investments. So, let's embark on a journey to become skilled analysts and savvy investors. The importance of market analysis. Market analysis is the process of evaluating various factors that influence investment markets. It empowers you to make well-informed decisions and capitalize on opportunities while managing risks. Types of market analysis. Let's explore the two primary types of market analysis. Fundamental analysis. Examining the intrinsic value of a security by analyzing financial statements, earnings, management, and macroeconomic factors. Technical analysis. Evaluating historical price and volume data to predict future price movements. Fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis involves assessing the underlying factors that impact an investment's value. Let's delve deeper. Economic indicators. Analyzing economic data like GDP growth, unemployment rates, and inflation to gauge the overall health of an economy. Company financials. Evaluating a company's financial statements, earnings, and management quality to determine its investment potential. Industry analysis. Understanding the industry dynamics that can affect a company's performance. Macroeconomic factors. Analyzing factors like interest rates, government policies, and geopolitical events that can impact markets. Technical analysis. Technical analysis focuses on price and volume data to predict market movements. Key concepts include price charts, utilizing line, bar, and candlestick charts to visualize price trends. Support and resistance, identifying levels where prices are likely to stall or reverse. Trend analysis, analyzing the direction and strength of trends to make informed decisions. Indicators and oscillators, using tools like moving averages, RSI, and MACD to identify potential entry and exit points. Sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis gauges market participants' emotions and opinions through tools like social media monitoring and news sentiment analysis. Combining analysis techniques. Many investors combine both fundamental and technical analysis for a comprehensive view of the market. This dual analysis approach can provide a more holistic perspective. Creating a market analysis strategy. Building an effective market analysis strategy involves setting objectives. Define your investment goals and risk tolerance. Selecting tools. Choose the analysis techniques that align with your goals and resources. Information gathering. Collect relevant data from reliable sources. Analysis. Interpret the data to draw meaningful insights. Decision making. Translate insights into actionable investment decisions. Backtesting and validation. Backtesting involves testing your analysis strategies against historical data to validate their effectiveness. This helps fine-tune your approach before applying it to real-time trading. Risk management. In market analysis, effective risk management is vital when using market analysis. Set stop-loss orders, diversify your portfolio, and avoid overtrading based solely on analysis. Psychological factors in analysis. Emotional biases can cloud objective analysis. Stay disciplined, avoid herd mentality, and don't let fear or greed drive your decisions. Market analysis tools and resources. Explore various tools and resources available for market analysis, including financial news platforms, data providers, and charting software. Congratulations! You've now acquired a comprehensive understanding of market analysis. Remember, effective analysis requires continuous learning, practice, and adapting to changing market conditions. Thank you for joining us today to learn about market analysis. If you found this video insightful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable financial insights. Armed with the knowledge of market analysis, you're better equipped to navigate the dynamic world of investments. Stay tuned for our next video,